What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So 271 intercooler is going to be going in today. I'm at my boy Vic's house, so he's going to be helping me out. Now, the hardest thing that I read about this is actually just taking the front bumper off. This is going to be my first time taking the front bumper off. Only a few clips that you need to take off from the bottom and from the top once you pop the hood, and then when you get underneath the car, and then it just pries off from the side. So I'll go ahead and show you guys all that's going on. Also going to be using the 271 installation guide that they provide on their website, so link's going to be in the description for that. All right, cool. So we were able to get the bumper off right here. So check this out. Really convenient when you have somebody else helping you. So Victor was holding on to the front while I unclipped both fog lights from each side. And then right here, these bumper tabs. So the bumper's being held onto these like little clips. All I did was pry it up a little bit, just barely to like loosen it up. So I was holding onto it right here, and everything came off. Really easy to take off actually. So we're gonna be removing the hot pipe from this section right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and start moving from the right, and then we're most likely gonna need to take off the intake just to give us more room on top to work with. But if we don't need to, then I'll keep you guys posted on that. Next, guys, you guys need to loosen the bolt that's all the way down in there in the pipe. I don't know if I can show you guys that. Camera, there it is, that one right there. And then we need to take that off right there. And then this is gonna wiggle out. Now that that's all done on the left side, we're gonna take that off. We're gonna take these bolts off right here. This needs to come off. This last bolt right here needs to come out. We just need to be very careful taking everything out from this side. As of right now, this piece was the hardest thing to get out. We ended up needing to get those pliers, pull it from the bottom, wiggle it up. We ended up taking out the intake because we were gonna need more room to work with anyway. So that's gone. Now we're gonna start taking all of this piping out. We ended up taking off the two bolts right over here. The two bolts right there. We unclamped all of these that are in here. This is loose now. Now we just need to like... Oh, Victor. You know, if I can use two hands, like I normally do. It's like barely not wanting to come out. Oh! Damn, Victor.
What?
I haven't seen you hold something that big and black in.
Not the proper way to do that. You're supposed to take this off. So
yeah, it's supposed to wiggle out.
But it's okay.
Alright, we're gonna get the intercooler out next. That way we can line everything up so you guys can see how it all looks together. Continuing on following the 271 intercooler install, you got these clips right here. That bracket's gonna come out. You do the same thing to the other side, and we're gonna wiggle this thing out of here. All right, the next step to do is to take off the intercooler. So we need to take off, there's gonna be a 12mm bolt and a 10mm bolt on this side, so we can take off the bracket. That way we can take off this entire intercooler. And then Vic, I think what we need to cut is this right here, like up to like right there. That's it. So that the bigger intercooler fits. Dude, look how tiny this is.
It's not tiny. You mean long?
Victor,
This is long.
I need to show you the bigger and black one. The one that's bigger and blacker.
Bigger and black.
Bigger and blacker. Gee. Dude. Dude, this thing is huge. Oh shit. Vic. Oh, dude, this is gonna look sick. This is gonna, dude, you guys gotta check this out. Look at this. The size comparison to this. That's a huge difference.
Big and black.
Big and black. Once you go black, you never go back.
Sure.
With intercooler piping, dude. Come on, what are you talking about? Let's mop this up, man.
Okay.
All right, so check. All right, so what's next, Vic?
Now we install it. That's what's next. No, yeah, essentially we're just taking this part off.
The flapper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna cut that out and then start installing everything back in. So these are all the pieces right here, guys. The nice thing about it is their logo right here helps indicate if it's facing the right way. So you'll know if you're installing it wrong. And all these parts have one, so really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and start cutting that and we'll be back in a bit. Guys, now that everything's lined up, hot side's gonna go back in, left hand side right here. Victor's working on the right side, or the driver's side. I'm gonna be working on the passenger side, just so we can get this going. So all you gotta do is just repeat the steps reverse wise and use the new clamps that they provided to put everything back in place. All right, so I got that one in right there. The clamps are loose. And then I got everything pretty much in place. Hopefully you guys can see it, but everything's already in place. All I need to do is wiggle that out and put the clamps in. That way I can, you know, clamp everything up. I didn't put the clamps in the first time. That way I had more room to work with. And then Victor's almost done with driver's side right here. So
Put that back in there.
and that's it. All right, guys, quick update. Everything is good from the hot side. We are good. Victor's just tying up one last clamp. So this is all good right here. Last clamp in there got tightened up. We put all the sensors back on. And then afterwards, we're just gonna start putting the intake back on. And we are good to go. Guys, she is on. 271 everything, baby. Now I just need to get the strut bar. Big old W2 turbo. 271 inlet piping. And we are chilling. Victor, overall, it wasn't too bad, right?
No.
It was just more of a trial and error trying to get the clamps on the right way. I think that was for me on my side, if I'm being honest.
Not too bad.
Here, let me turn this bad boy on. Loud, at least because it echoes in your garage. But right now we're just gonna, oh, that hair though, bro. Now we're just gonna go ahead and make sure there isn't any leaks in any of the piping, and we should be good to go. Boys, look who's here. It's Daddy.
It's the freshly 30-year-old.
The fresh 30-year-old. Oh, that's right. Happy birthday, by the way.
Papa.
How was your weekend?
I don't remember some of it.
Oh, yeah.
So Vic?
So, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Dog.
Big 3-0.
Big 3-0.
The dirty 30.
30-30.
Hey, man. But regardless, you know, Victor had a point. This was probably the first install we did in a while without any hiccups.
You didn't have to go to the Riley's?
Nope. See,
Perfectly installed then.
the sun's still out.
Yeah?
Did it within like.
We did it within the approximate time. It said 3 hours. We did it in about 3.5 though.
Yeah, because I think you texted me like 12:30. You're like, we're about to start.
Yeah. The hardest part was what I was telling him was.
Well, let's see if we can do it again. Put it away.
So I'm gonna need to use your storage again. I'm just.
Nah, this is trash now.
Hell no, dude. What if I need to go back to stock?
No, you throw that on that, you get the whatever's on that one. Backup parts.
You're not wrong right there. Victor did the bottom, I did the top.
Hold on.
So Victor was on bottom, I was on top.
Attacking snow bunnies to uptown.
Love it.
Yeah.
Freaking cop showing right there, bro.
When installing parts goes wrong.
You'd watch like the next video is gonna be like 271 intake install. The video after that, I need a new clutch. We're about to.
Today we're replacing our clutch and installing a sway bar.
At that point, you might as well. That's gonna be the install, guys. 271 intercooler is finally installed. This is probably the fastest and the most install I've done without any hiccups, without having to go to O'Reilly's, and the sun's still out. So this has been a good one. I drove around right now, so everything's chilling. The car is fine. Nothing really popped out of the ordinary other than just driving the car for a bit because the battery was disconnected, so we're all good. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you guys do like it, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another one. I got some more things coming for the car. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.